Are you looking for the best sewing machine for seamstress? In this video we will look at some of the best sewing machine for seamstress on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Brother Sewing Machine XM2701. Brother is one of the biggest names. They have been making top quality sewing machines for many years. Sewers all over the world love to have their product. Brother XM2701 is one of the examples of their topmost quality. This product perfectly reflects their class with its uniqueness. The XM2701 is constructed with the highest grade materials. It will serve you many years, for sure. The machine offers 27 unique built-in decorative, blind hem, zigzag, and stretch stitches with an auto-size buttonhole. That means this machine will provide you with immense versatility. A top-notch automatic needle threader is also included on the machine with a drop-in top bobbin. You can push the thread through the needle with no hassle. Brother XM2701 is a free-arm sewing machine that will give you immense versatility. You can easily use the machine for regular sewing projects. Brother Company also offers 6 sewing feet, an instruction manual, and a DVD with the package. Both beginners and advanced lever dressmaker can use the sewing machine. The price is not that much, don't worry. Give it a go before the stock expires. At number 2. Brother CS6000i. Brother CS6000i is a computerized machine ideal for both sewing and quilting. You will get numerous sewing options in the market, but the choice is limited when it comes to quilting. You will get only a few products, and most of them are cheaply constructed. Therefore, Brother has come to save you from this hassle with their CS6000i model. The machine is built in such a way to solve your sewing and quilting needs with perfection. CS6000i features an automatic needle threader that is effective when you need to get the thread in the needle without any hassle. The machine is ideal when you need to work on a big project that needs to finish within a short period. You have unlimited access over the sewing speed, so nothing to worry about. You can carry it from one place to another without any problem. The price of the product is not prohibitive. Give it a go, you will be benefited. At number 3. Singer Heavy Duty 4423. Singer 4423 sewing machine will not let you down by any means. It is a heavy-duty machine that works like a beast. Singer has made this sewing machine with a heavy-duty metal interior frame and stainless steel bed frame. They also included a powerful motor that ensures extra high sewing speed. This sewing machine can work through any fabric, no matter how thick it is. Also, it will serve you many years without any problem. Singer 4423 offers 23 built-in stitches where you will get basic, stretch, decorative, and buttonhole options. The motor is 60% stronger. You will get a maximum sewing speed of about 1100 stitches per minute. Any project can be done quickly without any inconvenience. Speed is adjustable so that you can set it according to the fabric type. Thick fabrics are not a problem for this champ. You will also get a wide variety of accessories, including an all-purpose foot, zipper foot, buttonhole foot, sewing foot, seam brush, quilting guide, and many more. The price of the product is reasonable. Give it a go. I am sure you will enjoy working on it. At number 4. Singer Quantum Stylist 9960. Quantum Stylish 9960 is another remarkable creation of Singer. It comes with all the essential features you can ask. The built quality of this sewing machine is fantastic. Singer has maintained its usual quality on this sewing machine. It will surely serve you many years if you maintain it properly. You will get a large selection of stitches, including basic, stretch, decorative, and so many. You can handle a wide variety of projects, including fashion, quilting, home decor, and so on. There is an automatic needle threader included that can thread from spool to needle's eye within a second. I know how frustrating this task is when handled manually. No more pain and frustration with this machine on your home. You will get a maximum speed of 850 stitches per minute. You will get many other accessories from this machine, such as a wide variety of presser feet, including an all-purpose foot, zipper foot, buttonhole foot, and so on. The price of the product is not prohibitive. Overall, it is an excellent option to have. Go on. You will be amazed, I promise. At number 5. Brother XR9550PRW. Brother XR9950PRW is here to solve your headache. According to many professionals, Brother XR9950PRW is one of the most excellent computerized sewing machines available on the market for the price. If you need an effective computerized sewing machine, you should not try something else. The built quality of the product is fantastic with top quality materials. Brother designed this sewing machine to use for an extended period without any hassle. The machine is user-friendly. You will get a large LCD screen for easy navigation. Also, 110 built-in stitches are available in the machine covering utility, decorative, and heirloom stitches. An excellent quality automatic needle threader is included on the machine that can be operated with a lever's simple touch. It will automatically push the threader into the needle eye. Moreover, you will also get 8 one-step auto-size buttonhole styles to choose from. The table is wide enough to handle large fabrics. The sewing machine is available at a reasonable price. Give it a go. You will be thrilled by the performance. At number 6. Singer Tradition 2277 Sewing Machine. The Singer Tradition 2277 sewing machine is another outstanding product for the price. The sewing machine is well constructed with top quality metal frame. The machine is durable and ensures perfect sewing due to the internal metal skeleton. Singer Tradition 2277 is an option if you want something long-lasting. Though the machine is well constructed, yet it is not heavyweight. You can transport it from one place to another without any hassle. The Singer 2277 comes with 23 built-in stitches, including one automatic one-step buttonhole. You can use this machine for a wide variety of tasks. Also, there is an automatic needle threader included that will let you thread through the needle eye without any complications. The speed of the machine is adjustable as well. The free arm will give you accessible entrance to cuffs, collars, pant hems, and other difficult-to-reach areas of the fabric. Also, you can adjust the foot presser and tension on this machine. It will allow you to work on a variety of fabrics. At number 7. Singer 7258 Sewing Machine. Singer 7258 100-stitch sewing machine is the top choice for occasional sewers. With this machine, you can surely create masterpieces. The machine offers hundreds of stitches, yet the price of the product is reasonable. The machine has all the essential accessories, including a newbie could ask. In the sewing world, it is one of the most popular options. The Singer 7258 provides an automatic needle threader, automatic locking straight stitch option, automatic tension dial, automatic bobbin winder, up and down needle button, start and stop button, and a drop-in bobbin for the convenience of the users. You will also get 7 automatic buttonholes, a stitch selector dial, a cover, and many other features on the machine. If you are pondering for the best sewing machine specially made of the newbies or for menswear, Singer 7258 is a perfect choice. The built quality of the machine is excellent as well. Moreover, this machine can serve you many years if maintained properly. Do not miss this champion. Hurry up, the stock is limited. You will never regret owning Singer 7258, that's for sure. At number 8. Brother ST371 HD. Brother ST371 HD is the last attraction today, but not the least. It will serve you better than most of the products in the market today. With 37 unique built-in stitches and one auto-size buttonhole, this one is one of the most versatile market models. Any user from beginner to advanced can use the Brother ST3701 HD without any hassle. The built quality of the product is fantastic. It is constructed with top quality materials. The sewing machine will serve you many years without any issue. It comes with 6 sewing feet, an instructional DVD, and a manual. You do not have to wonder anymore for the best solution. The best one is one click away from you. Are you worried about the price? Don't. The cost of Brother ST371 HD is reasonable. I hope I have done well, or at least I have tried. Now the reviews are finished, and time to move to our next segment. You should read the buying guide below for more knowledge so that you can purchase one wisely.